don't give a fuck. They'll bring the whole team to kill one person.
Well, have you guys gotten along today? Or has it been the same shenanigans all day long? Now the minute I leave, I know you're gonna start your shit. For those that don't know, this is my son Eric's room. And this is my son Eric. The one who I have no pictures of, and he won't get off that damn computer so I can take a picture of him. Would you stop it?
Help! If you see this tape,
Eric,
I'm probably dead.
I hate you. That's not nice, you know. You didn't feel bad. I'm putting this on my Facebook, boy. Huh? Putting this on my Facebook page.
You look like Facebook.
You look like Facebook.
No, I don't.
You wouldn't know he was a grown-ass man with the way his room looks.
Sam just turned 18 3 months ago. He's already grown as fuck.
You're the one that wanted to be a grown-ass man, eh?
Eh? Don't you Canadian?
Yeah, I'm Canadian. Eh? Okay, guys, move.